Hello my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video I will show you how to read an Excel file in Python. Precisely a .xlsx file in Python. We are going to read it using Pandas and I am going to show you the entire procedure step by step. I have already created a folder xl_read which I have opened in my Visual Studio Code editor. I have also taken the liberty to create a virtual environment within this folder, because the libraries that we are going to install to read the Excel file will stay within this virtual environment, and thus they are going to stay isolated from the global Python environment, which is a very good practice. So in order to read an Excel file in Python, you must have two libraries installed, Pandas and openpyxl. I am going to show you how to install them in your virtual environment. So click on terminal and open a new terminal. Once the terminal opens, you are going to write pip install pandas openpyxl. We are going to install two libraries in one go. Now hit enter. You can see they have started installing. It's not going to take more than 2 minutes to install. All right. The libraries have been installed. Now let's create a Python file within our project folder. So I'm going to name it readxl.py. And there you go. Now let me show you the Excel file that we are going to read. And that file is on my desktop. Let me double click on it to show you its contents. And there you go. 4 columns, 5 records. So there are two ways to read an Excel file. First, you copy this Excel file into your project folder. Second, you leave the file where it is and read the file directly from its location. In this video, I am not going to copy the file into the project folder, although it's a good practice, so that I can show you how to copy the file path and read the Excel file directly from any location you want. So let's go back to the Visual Studio Code. Here we are going to import pandas. So I'm going to write import pandas as PD. Now we are going to create a new data frame. Let's call it df. And after equals to, we will write pd.read_xl. This is the function. This is the main function that is going to do the job for us. Within its brackets, within double quotes, we'll have to mention the entire path of the file. So now we go to the desktop, right click on the file and click on copy as path. We come back to the Visual Studio Code and just paste that path over here by pressing Ctrl V. There you go. I think it copied the path with double quotes. So I'm going to eliminate the outer double quotes like this and write R over here. The R before quotes makes the path a raw string. So Python treats backslashes normally instead of interpreting them as a special escape characters. Now let's print the data frame. So within print, within double quotes, we are going to write our Excel file, ladies and gentlemen. Let's introduce a new line character, and after comma we are going to mention the data frame. Okay, this is going to print the data frame in the next line. Now if you are wondering why I didn't import openpyxl, then let me tell you, Pandas can read Excel files all by itself, but for .xlsx files it typically uses the openpyxl engine behind the scenes. So no need to import it. Alright, let's run this program. So I'm going to right click over here, hover over run Python, and then click on run Python file in terminal. Alright, drum roll. And there you go. There is our Excel file printed as a data frame. And this is how you read an xlsx file in Python using Pandas and openpyxl. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to read Excel file in Python from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.